So our primary reason for setting up an operation in Mexico was labor availability. We have 80% of our production was in Muscatine, Iowa. And during the pandemic, while we knew we had limited labor availability, during the pandemic it was acutely obvious, and we literally could not hire enough people to keep demand. So we could have gone other places in the United States. I had a lot of experience working in Mexico, having been in automotive for many, many years, working for Lear Corporation. And I knew people in Mexico, and I know the work ethic in Mexico, and of course, labor availability. So that was the primary reason. So partnering with American Industries as a shelter company, as opposed to trying to do this on our own, turned out to just be fantastic. I know that had we gone on our own to do this, we wouldn't be nearly where we are in this period of time. So American Industries really helped us with every facet of organizing ourselves in Mexico, starting from land availability and working through all of the different disciplines. I want to call it a success story. We started a smaller operation here very, very quickly. It was 145,000 square feet. It took about 150 of labor requirements off of our back in Muscatine very, very quickly. We were up and running, I believe, in less than 5 months, which was really fantastic. And again, couldn't have done it without your help and American. And then we grew. We were having a great success in that operation, and we had more labor needs in Muscatine. And we decided to grow into the facility that we're sitting in right now, which is a little over 500,000 square feet. So we'll be generating well into the $500 million worth of revenue in this facility. Labor availability, labor cost, the culture fits H&I's Midwestern culture very, very well. American Industries culture also fits well with our culture. All of those things. And I would say quality too. American Industries, after looking into several different shelter companies that were available, and really what won us over to American Industries was their culture and the way they work and their desire to really reach out and help us with everything that we needed help with. So I think we hit it off very well from the very beginning, and they're price competitive for sure, as well as extremely knowledgeable. So able to get us IMAX approval very quickly, and all of the different permitting that we needed throughout the both operations.